guys, may buntag sa Talang Bisaya, may udto, may hapon, kung asa man mo oras tibok kalibutan. Pero adlaw, pag Bisaya time sa ubal na to. Ready
Bisaya
na ba mo?
time. Sorry.
Bisaya time, ready na ba mo? Baby, are you ready?
Wait. Funny thing is, today we're talking about food, and I'm starving. So this is just hilarious. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
And they start apple,
Apple is manzanas.
banana,
Banana is saging.
chicken,
Chicken, enough.
coffee,
Coffee is my favorite. Cafe.
egg.
Egg is no.
How about fish?
Eat stuff.
Squid,
Squid is nokos.
garlic,
Garlic is ojos.
jackfruit,
Manka.
mango.
Mango is manga.
How about pork?
Pork is pork. Oh, you're throwing that. You threw it out of order. From what I learned.
Yeah.
It's carning baboy.
How about beef?
Carning baka.
Milk,
Milk is gatas.
onion.
Onion is sibuyas.
How about peanut?
Peanut is money.
Yeah.
Money.
Salt,
Salt is acid.
potatoes,
Potatoes.
soy sauce,
Do you?
sugar,
Azúcar.
tomato,
Tomato is wait. Tomato.
vegetables,
Gulay.
vinegar,
Vinegar is suka.
yeah. How about watermelon?
Melon.
Yay! Congratulations!
Was that all?
Yep.
Wow, that was quick. I should have slowed it down, guys. I'm sorry.
So next time na po guys, mag-Bisaya tayo na sa hopefully nalinggaw mo ang
Paano just get full?
yeah, yes.
Like,
Every Saturday guys.
no, don't say that. We
No?
missed last Saturday. Sorry, guys. So there was a change in the work schedule. I didn't have much of a choice. And when I finally did get off of work, you know, we went to a corn maze, as you've seen in the previous episode.
So don't forget to like, comment for more, and subscribe. So bye guys!
Bye, guys.